This video details the essential setup for your ENS Titanium recorder. We will configure region intrusion detection, ensure its corresponding recording schedule is active, and enable push notifications for immediate alerting. Start by logging into your recorder and selecting Settings. Click on AI Event from the main menu. On the right-hand side, select Enable Event. This central switch activates the AI engine for your cameras. Ensure Smart Event is toggled on. This is a vital first step, so remember to click Apply to save your settings. Now return to the AI Event menu and select Parameter Detection. Select Region Intrusion from the menu. Choose the camera you want to configure from the list and enable the intrusion detection function. This system allows you to set up to 4 independent intrusion zones. You can configure each trigger individually. They are marked with numbers 1 through 4. For this demonstration, we'll be configuring 2 separate zones. Next to target, you can specify whether you want the camera to focus on people or motor vehicles. This helps the AI filter out irrelevant motion, significantly reducing false triggers. Below that, you can modify the detection sensitivity. It's often best to start with a default setting and fine-tune it after testing the configuration. Now to create the first detection area, click on the video image to place points. As you close the area, ensure you do not click directly on top of an existing dot, as this can prevent the shape from closing properly. Now I will create the second trigger by selecting it and repeating the drawing process. Once you have configured all your intrusion zones, click Apply. Now click on the Trigger Mode tab. This is where we tell the system exactly what to do when someone crosses the line. Here you can select and configure different types of notifications and actions. If you have an active deterrence camera, you can enable the red and blue warning lights and the siren to scare off an intruder by checking these options. In the Record column, click the Configure button and ensure the camera you are setting up is selected to record when the line is crossed. Once you've selected your desired actions, click Apply when done. Next, we'll set up recording. To configure how the system records AI events, navigate to the top of the menu and select Record. By default, the mode is set to Auto. If you do not need a custom schedule, click the Advanced button. Here, select AI Record to configure the system to record only when smart events are triggered. This is the most storage-efficient option. Click Add. A configuration window may appear. You can change the settings like video quality here, but if no changes are needed, simply click OK to continue. If you want the security of continuous recording while still flagging AI events, click Advanced again and select Always 24/7 Record, and then click Add. You will now see both recording modes active. Click Apply when you are done. If you want a customized schedule instead of 24/7 recording, select Customization under the Mode drop-down. Next, click Schedule Management. Click Add to create a new schedule, and start by giving your schedule a descriptive name. Next, simply click and drag on the time bar to select the specific time frame for recording. The selected time will turn blue. To apply the same schedule to multiple days, click Copy to and select the desired days. This saves you from having to manually configure the same times for every single day. Once you're finished, click OK to save your custom schedule. Here you should see your custom schedule displayed. Click Close. Under AI Record Schedule, you can assign your custom schedule. Use the Master drop-down to apply it to all cameras at once or select individual cameras for more precise control. When you're done, click Apply to save these settings. To configure push notifications, click on AI Event at the top, then select Event Notification, and click Push. Check the box to enable and select a schedule for when you want to receive alerts and click Apply. Now head back to Motion under General Event. For each camera, ensure that the status under Push says On. If it does not, go ahead and enable it. Click Apply when you're done. You're all set. Your system will now record based on motion and send instant alerts directly to your phone. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our technical support team. We are always here to help.